Daddy, if you hold the stairs, then you can do it. I know. If you hold the stairs, then you can do it.
All right, come on down.
Come on. I'm scared. Push me, Alicia. I can do it.
The snow's deep, huh?
Yeah. Daddy, I can do it.
You can do it.
Yeah, because I hold the stairs. Yeah. It's a good thing we had stairs.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, look how deep it is.
Wow, deeper. Yeah, I got deeper and deeper.
It's up to your waist.
How can we do this? Daddy, the blow-ups are right there.
The blow-ups are buried.
Yeah, buried.
How deep is that?
It's deeper.
It's 2 feet?
Yeah.
Alicia, smile, Alicia.